Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can highlight muscle in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and as you can see, I have prepared my video. And if you want to highlight muscle, you have to prepare red background like this. You can get this red background from the CapCut library, or you can download from the internet. And you can add this red background color to your timeline. And we're going to go to the mask option, and then I'm going to apply circle mask like this, and we can adjust the size of the mask according to the muscle you want to highlight. You can also rotate it or zoom in and zoom out. Okay, I'm just going to place it right here, and then I'm going to blend it with my video. We can go to the basic and then go to the blend mode. Okay, and for the blend mode, I'm gonna go with overlay. Okay, then go to the mask and you can adjust the feather like this guys. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Alright. Okay, and I think it's done. And let's play the video to take a look at the final result. This is the final result guys. And if the object is moving, you can also use the keyframe to make this highlight follow the moving object. You can just use the keyframe right here and adjust it with your video. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay guys, and that's all the way to highlight muscle in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.